In this video, we will see the error connection refused. Basically, I have started my application and the database also has been started, but still I am facing the issue while connecting to the server. See, I'm getting 500 and on the console I'm getting connection refused. So what is the solution? Basically, I'm using cache, and in the cache there is a mandatory Redis server. So what I did is I forget to start my Redis server. That's why I'm getting connection refused. So basically what I will do is I'll start my Redis server, which command is Redis server, and then I press enter. So see, Redis has been started. Now if you can try with the postman send, see, I'm getting result for hello. Okay, so this was the solution. So you are using cache but you forget to start your Redis server, then you will get connection refused because it will hit the database. So hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.